Do you know who Dean Graziosi is? He's not just your average success story. Meet Dean Graziosi, a man who wears many hats with remarkable finesse. He is a prominent American entrepreneur, a savvy real estate investor, an insightful author, and an inspiring educator. But what sets Graziosi apart from the crowd is his commitment to sharing his knowledge and expertise, lighting the path for others in the realms of real estate investing and personal development. Born into humble beginnings, Graziosi's journey to the top was far from a straight path. He faced numerous setbacks and obstacles, each one presenting a lesson that would shape his future. He turned his challenges into stepping stones, using them to ascend to the heights he enjoys today. From working in his father's collision shop to becoming a partner, Graziosi learned the ropes of business and the art of resilience. He faced the daunting task of managing the business and its debts when his father checked himself into a facility following a divorce. However, instead of succumbing to the pressure, Graziosi chose to rise, highlighting the importance of resilience and problem-solving in the face of adversity. Graziosi's success is built on the foundation of authenticity and transparency. He understands the importance of being true to oneself and refraining from hiding behind a false persona. He believes in the power of authenticity and its magnetic pull, attracting like-minded individuals and opportunities that fuel personal growth and success. Through his journey, Graziosi has learned the importance of focus in solving big problems. He discovered the true value of his time and the return on investment when he concentrated his efforts on tasks that contributed to his success. Graziosi encourages others to focus on what ignites their passion and inspires them. He is a firm believer in the power of gratitude and the celebration of small wins. He shares this philosophy through his morning routine, reflecting on his achievements and setting goals for the day ahead. A man of many talents, Graziosi's journey to success is a tale of resilience and determination. This is Dean Graziosi, a man whose story inspires and motivates, a man who teaches us that with authenticity, focus, and gratitude, we too can turn our dreams into reality. Chapter 1. Embrace challenges. Every success story starts somewhere, and Dean Graziosi's begins in his father's collision shop. Like many before him, Graziosi's journey to success was not an easy one. But his humble beginnings, working with his hands in his father's shop, laid the groundwork for his future achievements. Young Graziosi learned from early on the value of hard work and the importance of a strong work ethic. His life took an unexpected turn when his father went through a third divorce and, in a startling move, checked himself into a facility. This left Graziosi, not yet fully grown, with the burdensome responsibility of the family business and mounting debts. The weight of the world seemed to be on his shoulders, but Graziosi was not one to crumble under pressure. Instead, he proved his mettle, displaying a resilience and problem-solving attitude that would serve him well in his future endeavors. He faced the challenges head-on, transforming each setback into fuel for his determination. Graziosi knew that temporary hardships were just that, temporary. He visualized success, focusing on his goals with an obsession that propelled him forward. His early life was marked by adversity, but instead of letting it define him, Graziosi chose to use it as a stepping stone. He knew that how he handled one thing would reflect how he handled everything. Thus, he poured his heart and soul into his work, even when the work was not enjoyable. He committed himself fully, embodying the ethos that the road to success is paved with effort and dedication. Graziosi's early life was not easy, but it was formative. It taught him the importance of resilience, the power of visualization, and the necessity of unwavering commitment. These lessons would become cornerstones of his success. Despite the setbacks, Graziosi held on to his determination to succeed. His story serves as a powerful reminder that every challenge we face is an opportunity for growth. Graziosi's journey from the collision shop to the boardroom is a testament to his unwavering determination and an inspiration for us all. Chapter 2. Be authentic. Being genuine is a trait that Graziosi values highly. He's a firm believer in the power of authenticity, a philosophy he integrates into every aspect of his life. He urges us all to be transparent, to be true to ourselves, rather than hiding behind a mask of falsehoods. His journey is a testament to the power of being genuine. Graziosi emphasizes that authenticity is not just about being honest with others, but also about being honest with oneself. It's about acknowledging our strengths and weaknesses, our triumphs and failures. It's about being comfortable in our own skin and embracing our individuality. Graziosi often talks about the magnetic power of authenticity. He believes that when we are true to ourselves, we emit an energy that others find attractive. It's an energy that draws people in, that fosters trust and respect. It's an energy that can enhance personal growth and pave the way to success. But authenticity, according to Graziosi, goes beyond personal growth. It's also crucial in the world of business. He advises entrepreneurs to fully immerse themselves in their chosen industry, to be genuine in their passion and commitment, rather than hopping from one venture to another. He stresses that excellence stems from a place of authenticity, from a deep-rooted passion for what we do. Graziosi also highlights the importance of being transparent in our dealings. He urges us to be honest, to be upfront, to not shy away from difficult conversations or hard truths. He believes that transparency is the foundation of trust, and that trust is the cornerstone of any successful relationship, be it personal or professional. Authenticity, for Graziosi, is not just a buzzword. It's a way of life. It's a philosophy that has guided him through the ups and downs of his journey. A philosophy that has helped him build a successful career and a fulfilling life. In Graziosi's words, authenticity is a key ingredient for success. So let's strive to be genuine, to be true to ourselves. Let's embrace authenticity in all its forms. Let's embody the power of authenticity, just like Dean Graziosi. Chapter 3, Solve Huge Problems. Dean Graziosi knows the value of time and the importance of ROI. In the grand scheme of things, it's not about trying to be good at everything, but rather focusing on what you're passionate about and where your strengths lie. Graziosi encourages all of us to stop spreading ourselves too thin, trying to do tasks that don't contribute to our success. Instead, he suggests we zero in on what truly lights us up and inspires us. He stresses the importance of commitment and excellence in everything we do. Graziosi believes that by dedicating ourselves fully to our passions and strengths, we can achieve a level of excellence that wouldn't be possible if we were constantly jumping from one thing to another. In his own words, how you do one thing is how you do everything. This mindset is a testament to the power of focus and the role it plays in achieving success. But Graziosi's wisdom doesn't end there. He also emphasizes the importance of solving big problems. He believes that by focusing our energy and attention on addressing significant issues, we can create substantial impact and value. This is not just about financial gain, but about contributing to a better world and making a real difference. Graziosi also highlights the importance of resilience in the face of adversity. There will be setbacks and difficulties along the way, and it's our ability to remain focused and committed that will determine our success. He illustrates this with his own life story, showing how he overcame hardships and remained dedicated to his goals and vision. In essence, Graziosi's philosophy is about making the most of our time and energy by concentrating on our strengths and passions. It's about committing ourselves to excellence and tackling big problems that can make a real difference. So, how do we apply this to our lives? Start by identifying your strengths and passions. Then, dedicate yourself to these areas and strive for excellence. And remember, don't shy away from big problems. Embrace them and use your unique skills and talents to find solutions. Closing. Graziosi's mantra: focus on what lights you up and inspires you. Chapter 4, Celebrate Small Wins. Morning routines are not just about getting ready for the day. For Graziosi, they're about setting the tone. There's a special power in how we start our day. And for Dean Graziosi, it's about sowing seeds of gratitude and celebrating small victories even before the day truly begins. Imagine the sun's first rays peeking through your window. As the world around you stirs awake, Graziosi's day begins not with the usual rush to check his phone, but with a quiet moment of gratitude. He takes this time to appreciate the small things, the warmth of the sun, the comfort of his home, the privilege of another day. It's a simple act, yet it's a powerful one that shifts his mindset from reactive to proactive, from defensive to offensive. Next, he reflects on a win from the previous day. It doesn't have to be a monumental achievement. It could be as simple as a meaningful conversation or a task well done. This reflection isn't just about acknowledging success, it's about celebrating progress no matter how small. By doing so, he reinforces the idea that every step forward, no matter how tiny, is a victory in itself. Then, he sets a goal for the day ahead. It's not a long to-do list, but one single thing he wants to achieve. This practice keeps his focus sharp and his priorities clear. It's his way of taking charge of his day, instead of letting the day dictate his actions. Through his morning routine, Graziosi cultivates a mindset that values gratitude and celebrates progress. He understands that the journey to success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon filled with small, incremental wins. By starting his day with gratitude and a focus on small victories, he sets himself up for a day of positivity, productivity, and purpose. This routine isn't just for Graziosi. It's for anyone who wants to harness the power of gratitude and celebrate small wins. It's a reminder that success isn't just about the destination, it's about appreciating the journey and recognizing the value of each step along the way. In Graziosi's world, every day starts with gratitude and a winning mindset. Chapter 5. Overcome your vulnerabilities. The power of vulnerability is something Graziosi learned from Tony Robbins. Graziosi holds a profound appreciation for Robbins, a titan in the world of self-improvement. Robbins taught him the weight of sharing vulnerabilities, not as a sign of weakness, but as a testament to one's strength. Graziosi understood that by laying bare his struggles and fears, he was not only embracing his authentic self, but also paving the way for personal growth and evolution. This openness, this willingness to be vulnerable, became a cornerstone of his success. Sharing vulnerabilities also fostered a deep connection with others. People could relate to his journey, his trials, and his triumphs, making his message resonate at a deeper level. It was a powerful lesson from Robbins that Graziosi incorporated into his own life and teachings. And so, Graziosi continues to share his vulnerabilities, evolving through each one, using them as stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. For Graziosi, vulnerability is not weakness, but a strength. Chapter 6. Change your narrative. Graziosi believes in the power of changing the narrative. This is a fundamental belief that has guided him throughout his life and career. He understands that our narratives, the stories we tell ourselves about who we are and what we can achieve, have a profound impact on our mindset and actions. Think about it. If you consistently tell yourself that you're not capable, or that success is meant for others, not for you, then you'll start to believe it. You'll start to act according to this narrative, limiting yourself, not taking risks, not reaching for the stars. But Graziosi urges us to rewrite this narrative. Why not tell yourself that you are capable, that you are deserving of success, that you have unique talents and abilities that can make a difference in the world? When you change this narrative, you start to see yourself in a different light. You start to believe in your potential. And when you believe in your potential, you start to act on it. You start to take risks, to seize opportunities, to strive for excellence. But changing the narrative isn't just about self-talk. It's also about the company you keep. Graziosi emphasizes the importance of surrounding oneself with positive influences, with people who believe in your narrative, who support your dreams, who cheer you on when the going gets tough. These are the people who help you stay the course, who help you maintain your belief in your narrative, even when you're faced with challenges and setbacks. Graziosi's own life is a testament to the power of changing the narrative. From working in his father's collision shop, to becoming a successful entrepreneur and real estate investor, his journey shows us what's possible when we believe in our potential, when we tell ourselves a different story, when we surround ourselves with positive influences. So, what's your narrative? What's the story you're telling yourself about who you are and what you can achieve? Remember, according to Graziosi, you are the author of your own story. Write in the comments about which successful person you would like to learn about and subscribe for more.